In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a box on Squarespace. Creating content in Squarespace can be both fun and straightforward, especially when you understand how to use their tools effectively. Today's focus is on adding a box shape to your Squarespace site, something that can be useful for highlighting information, creating a visually appealing layout, or simply breaking up text to make your page easier to read. Let's start at the very beginning. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the Squarespace website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the home page. Click on that. Squarespace offers the convenience of continuing with Google to streamline your login process. So go ahead and click Continue with Google. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account from the list, assuming you have more than one. After selecting the account you want to use, you'll find yourself on your Squarespace dashboard. Your dashboard is where all the magic happens. It's the control room for your website. To get to the specific site you want to work on, you can either navigate through your Squarespace dashboard or use a direct link if you have one handy. Once on your site, the next step is to enter the editing mode. You can do this by selecting Edit from your site menu. This is where Squarespace really shines, offering a user-friendly interface that makes customizing your site a breeze. Now here's where we start to add new elements to your page. Look for the option to add block, which is usually represented by a plus sign, plus. Click on it. Squarespace blocks are essentially building blocks for your website, allowing you to add different types of content easily. Among the many types of blocks you can add, we're interested in adding a shape, so go ahead and select the shape option. Once you've clicked on shape, you'll have the opportunity to further customize what kind of shape you'd like to add. To bring up the shape options, click on Edit. In the shape menu, there's a drop down that shows you all the available shapes. Click on this drop down and select the box shape. The box shape is versatile and can be used in various ways on your website, from creating a visual marker for important information to serving as a background for images or text. After you've selected your box shape, don't forget the most important step, saving your changes. Look for the Save button, which is crucial to make sure your new box stays put on your page. And that's it. You've successfully added a box to your Squarespace site. This simple addition can have a big impact on your site's appearance and usability. Experiment with different placements and uses for your box shape to see how it can best enhance your site's design. Remember, the key to a great website is not just in how it looks, but in how easily your visitors can navigate and interact with your content. Adding a box might seem like a small change, but it's touches like these that can make your website stand out. Keep exploring Squarespace's features to find other ways to improve your site, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to our next tutorial.